Yes, hello children, how are you all? So children, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 6, the coastal plains and islands for class 4th. So as our science syllabus is completed of term 1, not the whole syllabus, term 1 syllabus is completed. So today we are going to complete social studies syllabus also. Only last lesson is this, that is the coastal plains and island. So yeah, let us start. The coastal plain and island. Coastal plains and island is nothing but which are related with the seas, and islands are there where you can find only few land, and land is so much but only few people will live over there. So let us discuss broadly in this lesson where does the coastal island is there, coastal plains are there as well as the islands are there. So southern part, if you look at the map, you can see the map here. So this southern part, when you see Western Ghats and Arabian Sea, okay, here you have Western Ghats and Arabian Sea, there is one plain that is called as what, Western Coastal Plain. And towards this side, Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal, okay, Eastern Ghats and Bay of Bengal, there lies what, Eastern Coastal Plains. So towards the west side you have Western Coastal Plains, and towards the east side you have Eastern Coastal Plain. Okay, so what happens, the eastern coastal plains, as I told you, between the Bay of Bengal and Eastern Ghats and the Deccan Plateau separates the plain from each other. So there is one Deccan Plateau, and this plateau, they separate from each other, and again they meet them at Kanyakumari. So let us discuss about the western coastal plains. This western coastal plains, it stretches from the Gulf of Kutch. So Gulf of Kutch, in the north of Kanyakumari there is a Gulf of Kutch, तो वो वहाँ से stretch होते हुए आता है, and again it lies towards what, to Cape Comorin in the south. So Gulf part is, which is a very narrow part, वो बहुत narrow part है, and entering the land, तो बहुत पतली सी गली है समझ लो लैंड को एंटर करने के लिए. सो दिस प्लेन, इट इज अबाउट 65 किलोमीटर, इसका एरिया जो है 65 किलोमीटर है. एंड अगेन दिस प्लेन इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 स्टेट्स, दैट इज गुजरात कोस्ट, कोंकण कोस्ट एंड मालाबार कोस्ट, मीन्स 3 कोस्ट. So let us discuss about the Gujarat coast. So Gujarat coast is between the Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Kambat. So the land is very flat over here, and people can only grow cotton, groundnut and tobacco. There are many mineral oils also which you can find over here. So that's why they have oil wells, that is for at Kambat. Okay, Kandla and Oka are the two important seaports of this coast. So you can see the picture over here. तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारा पानी है, नदियाँ हैं. So that's why they have seaports also in this coast, and mineral oil के लिए एक अलग से port है, that is called as what, Kambat. Next is what, Kambat coast, Konkan coast. So this Konkan coast, it lies towards the Gulf of Kambat से लेके गोवा तक. Okay, there you have what, Konkan coast. So there are some hills also which is towards the right side of the sea. You can find few hills. So there are little crops which are grown over here. Not only crops are very little, but there are ships and boats. So much of ships and dashboards are there against them. So there is a lighthouse also, and this lighthouse is used for the sailors to warn them that if any emergency is there with the sea. So immediately there is a lighthouse, and lighthouse gives a signal to the sailors, and then the sailors can move on. So Mumbai is the biggest city of this coast. Have you ever heard the name Mumbai? Yes. So Mumbai is the biggest city of this coast, and it is the largest seaport. If anything you want to send to the other state or other country, there is a seaport which is located in the Mumbai. So it is natural harbor. Many oil fields are known over here. That is Bombay High in the Mumbai coast. You have many oil fields also. Next is the Malabar coast. So Malabar coast, it is extends from Goa to Kanyakumari. Goa से लेके कन्याकुमारी तक, मतलब these are connected to one another. First गुजरात coast जो था वो गल्फ ऑफ कच्छ से लेके गल्फ ऑफ कॉम्बट, फिर गल्फ ऑफ कॉम्बट से लेके गोवा तलक कोंकण कोस्ट था. देन अगेन गोवा से लेके कन्याकुमारी तलक there is a Malabar coast. So Malabar coast is the very beautiful one, as there are sand dunes also, and there is sea also. So these are covered with the coconut plants, and some places there is a sea water which it enters towards the right side of the land also, means there is a land also, and few seawater enters into the land also, and cut off the main sea by the sand dunes. So main sea को cut करके there is sand dune also, there is means, it means in short, there is a land, there is sea, there are sand dunes, there are trees, so it is just beautiful one. So it looks like a lake. You can see over here there is a lake, plants, sea, and again there is a land also. So it looks like a lake, and such lake are called as what? Lagoons. So locally called rayas. There is a backwater which is called as what? Rayas. Local area में उसको rayas बोलते हैं इस place को. So they are interconnected by the canal. So this Malabar coast has heavy rainfall. उसके पास क्योंकि वहाँ पे trees भी हैं and sea भी है, so that's why they receive what? Heavy rainfall. Crops like coconut, banana, black pepper, clove, cardamom, and cashew nuts are grown in this area. So Kochi is an important seaport of Malabar coast, and it has ship building yard. So it has ship building yards भी है, and the important seaport is called as what? Kochi. Next is what? Eastern coastal plains. This was about western coastal plains, और next is what? Eastern coastal plains. So eastern coastal plains जो है गंगा से कन्याकुमारी तक जो भी एरिया आता है उसको ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन्स कहते हैं. तो ये वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन से बहुत हाई है. वेस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन जो था 60 किलोमीटर था, ये जो है 120 किलोमीटर है. एंड द नॉर्थ पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द नॉर्थ सिरकास, एंड सदर्न पार्ट इज कॉल्ड एज कोरोमंडल कोस्ट. सो द coastal plain north side is called as what? Northern Circus, and south side is called as what? Coromandel coast. So the rainfall among the eastern coastal plains is lower than the western coastal plains. यहाँ पे western coastal eastern में less rainfall है compared to western coastal plains. Big rivers like Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, and Kaveri, they form deltas, and deltas is a mouth of the river where it has many branches. So delta is the sense गंगा का अलग से डेल्टास रहते हैं, एंड डेल्टास के अलग से ट्रिब्यूटरीज रहते हैं. सो मतलब क्या है, उनके छोटे छोटे और रिवर्स, गंगा का एक और छोटे छोटे रिवर्स है विच यू कैन फाइंड टूवर्ड्स दिस वे टूवर्ड्स द ईस्टर्न कोस्टल प्लेन. सो द लैंड towards the delta is very fertile. You can see the green over here. It means it is very fertile, and they can grow, they have usually very much water to grow crops like rice and sugarcane. Cotton and tobacco are also grown. Coconuts are grown, but it is not grown that much when compared to western coastal plains. So Visakhapatnam and Chennai are the two seaports. Like you have airports, we have seaports towards the coastal plains. So that towards the eastern coastal plains, you have Visakhapatnam and Chennai, two seaports. Visakhapatnam is a very big one, big ship building yard, and beautiful marina beach is also there, and Chennai is the largest beach in India. So the one big beach you can find is at Chennai. Okay. Next is what? Islands of India. There are two islands, Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island. So Andaman Nicobar Island contains 572 islands in the Bay of Bengal. If you look at the map, you can see towards west side and towards east side, both of them have islands. Okay. So towards the west side, you have what? Lakshadweep Island, and towards the east side you have Andaman and Nicobar Island. So Andaman and Nicobar Island में 572 islands हैं, जिसमें से सिर्फ 38 islands में people रहते हैं. Okay, the other islands are just like that only, and it has thick forest, and the capital is Port Blair. Lakshadweep Island, it contains 39 islands in the Arabian Sea, so they are very close to the Malabar coast, and only 10 islands are useful. So enough people to live and work. So 10 islands are enough for the people to live there and to work. So there are only 4 to 5 meters higher than the sea level. So the land is sandy and flat. They are surrounded by coral rocks and lagoons. So you can find rocks over there. One land you can find so much of rocks. That is coral rocks and lagoons. Okay children. So this was about the coastal plains and island. In the next video, I will show you the life in the western coastal plains and life in the eastern coastal plains. This I'm gonna send you animated video because they will explain you with help of pictures so that you can understand it very properly. So yeah, today you go through this lesson and then watch my video, and then I'll send you the animated video of life in the coastal plains, like how do people live, what do they eat, what do they grow crops, or what type of work they will do, either there are industries or not, या वो कैसे रहते हैं, उनका पहनावा कैसे है, वो उनका एक डांस क्या है, उनके फेस्टिवल्स क्या है, everything they will explain you. So I'll send you the animated video of that. Okay children, yes, so half of the lesson is completed and half of the lesson I'm going to send you. Till then children, you take care, goodbye, wait for the notes, and as soon as I'll give you notes, complete it in your classwork as well as read it. Okay children, bye.